All right, we're back with another episode of Lettering with Cary. I'm going to show you kind of a cool little feature today, and I'm going to use a page from our brand new book, Black Lotus Empire. You can be getting this right out of RisingSunComics.com. This is issue number 3, which will be on sale sometime this month, September of 2019. All right, so basically what we're going to do is, if you notice our hero here, her name is Sparrow. She has kind of a wicked expression on her face. I want to give her a exclamation, rah, or something to that nature. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to come down to text, and we're going to say, let's see. Let's put an I in there too. How about that? Yeah, there you go. All right. So that's just in the mild-mannered, which is what we use for dialogue in this particular book. It's already bold italic, and right now it's at 14 points. It's not going to last. we're gonna change that. First of all, go up to Type, hit Create Outline. So what that does is it takes away the text as far as being able to change it. So I can't change it anymore. Make sure that you know what you want to put in there before you do this step. I've created outlines. Now I want to ungroup. All right. Now I'm going to zoom in on that a little bit so I can play with it. Let's see. So what I want to do is I want to go like about right there. And I want to expand that out a little bit. Give a little bit of size. Okay. Bring it down here so I can play with it a little bit. All right. Maybe give the H a little bit. All right, start messing with those letters. Now, notice I'm keeping my spacing a little bit. I don't want to go too crazy with getting the spacing screwed up, because that looks, it changes the aesthetic and the look of what you're trying to do. So I'm going to give it one of these, make this a little bigger. Oh, that's way bigger. Okay, that's good. Bring it back in there where it was. And then let's see. And this is really one of those deals, just like with clipping masks, or with, like we discussed the other day with anything lettering wise, you just find something that you like the look of. This is part of the letterer's artistic or creative side type stuff. So this is what you want to do. Okay, so let's see. Now that looks not too bad, right? Okay. Maybe give it a little bit like this. There we go. Okay. All right, so I could play around with that all day, and I have. We'll tweak that just a little bit. Okay, now once you get it where you want it, group it, and that way you don't mess with it again. Okay. So we're going to zoom back out. Right now, we're not going to worry too much about placement. Pardon me. We're going to get us a balloon. We're going to put that balloon right there. We're going to send it to back. Okay, so the balloon is around it. I'm going to shape that balloon just a little bit. I'm going to kind of bring it in just a hair on both sides. All right. There we go. That's not bad. I don't hate that. Okay, go get me a tail, because I need a tail. Always need tails, right? Let's get that one right. Oh, let's get that one right there. I like the way that one looks. Well, that was dumb. You got to copy it first. There we go. Now then. There we go. Okay, so let's get it up here. Put it like, Yeah, I don't mind that. Okay, so select your text. Okay, so copy it and paste in back. Now, what we want to do here is make a stroke, a white stroke, that's 8 points. Now, notice that's black. We don't want that. All right, now you can't see it, but it's there. And I'm selected on it, so don't select off. Just hold what you got. Hit Control, or hit copy again, Control C, and then Control B in the back again. Now then, go to a 10-point stroke and make that stroke black. All right, so now you see what you've got right there? Okay, now while that's selected, send it back. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at what we've done. All right, so now we take it right here, and we got to play with the tail just a little bit to get the tail to play just exactly the way we want it to, because you can merge this madness, but it's a lot easier to do it this way. This is how I recommend to do it. I'm going to bring that to front, see if that helps us. Boom. Okay, now I'm going to hide that for just a second. Now this is, you've got several layers of stuff here. So what I do is just, I'm going to hide that. And I'm going to bring that to front as well. Now look what I did. It looks, for all the world, like that tail has been merged in just like we always do. And it looks perfect. That looks cool. All right, so now watch this. I'm going to show all. Now look, I'm still not showing it, right? But it is selected. So now, bring it to front. Boom. There we go. Generally speaking, what I do at this point is group it so that it doesn't have any more. And now you can move it around, play with it. If you don't exactly like where it was. All right. Let's zoom back out, and now she's screaming as her action takes place. Well, this was a quick one, folks. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, do all that other stuff. And please check out RisingSunComics.com. Like I said, this is one of our newer comics, Black Lotus Empire. This will be issue number 3. We will also be releasing a special edition right around Thanksgiving time, I think. But check us out. We appreciate it. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.